Mashvisor is a tool that helps real estate investors easily find and analyze investment properties. Investors can analyze investment opportunities in easy-to-read visualizations and make decisions based on intelligent predictive data. Let's take a look at how to find the best property. Type a city in the search bar and click Start Analyzing. Here we are looking at Chicago. The heat map can be used to get an overview of different key factors in the area. For example, if your main focus is to be in an area with a high Airbnb occupancy rate, simply click Airbnb occupancy rate and the map will then be color-coded, highlighting areas with low, medium, or high Airbnb occupancy rates, red indicating low and green indicating high. This helps you to quickly evaluate markets you may not be familiar with, allowing you to uncover any hidden opportunities. You will notice the blue icons with numbers. The circles represent the different areas in Chicago, and the numbers indicate how many properties are located within the particular area. If you hover over one of the icons, a snapshot of the area's average cash-on-cash return and cap rate will pop up. Let's select an area. We'll click on Lincoln Park. The location pins that appear represent the different properties. We can again get a snapshot of projected cash-on-cash return and cap rate by hovering over the property pin. On the bottom of the map, we have an overview of the neighborhood that provides details like median home price, traditional and Airbnb cash-on-cash return, average rental income, Airbnb occupancy rate, and the optimal strategy suggested for this particular neighborhood. To get more information about the neighborhood, you can click its name on the summary bar. If you're wondering how we get our calculations, take a look at these three tabs. The properties listed in the Airbnb tab are existing listings and taken directly from Airbnb, which gives us the rental rate and Airbnb occupancy rate. Based on this information, we are able to do our calculations. This is also helpful for you to use these listings as comps and understand how properties are actually performing in the neighborhood. Under the Traditional tab, you will also find existing rental properties which are taken from websites such as HotPads, Rent Jungle, and other reliable sources. To get more comfortable with the data, you can click on the Export button, which downloads an Excel sheet with all the neighborhood listings. The information includes rental income, booking dates, ratings, and more. You can use this sheet if you'd like to do your own calculations or use third-party tools to do your own analysis. Now, let's get back to finding a property. Right now, the properties you see under the Investment tab are all properties that you could potentially purchase, but there are many interactive tools which allow you to filter out properties based on your personal criteria. If you're financing the property using a mortgage, go ahead and switch over the button to Mortgage and enter your down payment amount and loan plan. This will automatically recalculate the returns. The interest rate is preset based on the area. You can then enter the minimum cash-on-cash return and cap rate you're looking for. We'll put 5% for cash-on-cash return. Set your minimum and maximum budget and select the neighborhood of interest in that area. Finally, there are more detailed filters to set criteria for the property, including the number of bedrooms and bathrooms. You can also set your traditional or Airbnb rental income expectations. The properties that remain are the ones that match your criteria. Click on a property and you will then be taken to the property page. This tool turns months' worth of research into minutes. Viewing hundreds of properties and finding the optimal is now an efficient process taking place on one platform. Best of all, the returns are calculated ahead of time using predictive and comparative data, which is what every intelligent investor should be using. If you find value in this tool, go ahead and click on our pricing page and select a plan that best meets your needs.